Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss the trigonometric values of trigonometric ratio for some specific angles for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90 degrees. These values are given in your book also, but we will learn how to make this table without learn of it, है ना, विदाउट इसको याद किए कैसे हम इसको बना सकते हैं. So I am going to start now. First of all, I have to find the values of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degrees and 90 degree. For the value of sine, I just start from 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. As I end on 4, then divide all the values by 4 and put the root on it. If some values are cancelled out, then it cancel it, that is 1 upon 2 and that is 1. Now, what about sine? Trigonometric value of sine 0 degree. Then we know 0 upon 0 is always 0. And the 0 upon 0 is 0, then root of 0 will be 0. So sine 0 degree value is 0. Here root of 1 is 1 and 4 is 2. So sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Root of 1 is 1 and root of 2 not possible, so I write it as root 2. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Similarly, it will be root 3 upon 2. And that is 1. Very simple way to find this all values of 0, 30, 45 and 60, 90 degree for the value of sine ratio. So now for the cos just reciprocate, just inverse them, put 1 here and take 0 there. Then put root 3 by 2 here and 1 by 2 is there. And middle one as it is. The value of cos is there. What about tan? Tan is nothing just sine upon cos. Be remembered it. Tan is nothing just sine upon cos. By this formula we can say 0 upon 1 will be 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. 2 se 2 cancel, that will be 1 upon root 3. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Similarly, root 2 se root 2 cancel, 1 upon 1 means 1. So tan 45 is 1. Here root 2 se 2 cancel out, it will be root 3 upon 1. So tan 60 is root 3 by 1. 1 upon 0. If any number that's 0 in the denominator, then it will become not defined. So it will say not defined. In some book it says as infinity. The symbol is for infinity. But it is just written as not defined. Now what about cot? As we done in the case of cos, we will find the value of sine, then just inverted them with the cos. Similarly, in the case of cot, basically formula is cos upon sine, but we don't apply it, just do the same thing as we done in cos, not defined here and 0 goes there, then root 3 by 1 is here and 1 by root 3 goes there, and again 1 in the middle. Now what about sec? Sec is nothing just reciprocal of cos. As I told in my previous lecture, that sec is reciprocal of cos. So just reciprocate the value of cos, that is 1 by 1 and means 1. Just reciprocal it will be 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of this will be root 2 by 1. Reciprocal of this will be 2 by 1. And what about this? It is again not defined, because 0 upon 1 the reciprocal 1 by 0, again it is not defined. What about coset? Coset is reciprocal of sine. Either you reciprocate the value of sine or just apply the same process as you applied in cos and cot. Invert the value of the previous one, that will be, and is there, not defined. 1 goes there, 2 by 1 is here, 2 by root 3 is there, and that is root 2 by 1. In your table you read that this is only 2 is given there because 1 is nothing, value is 1 in the denominator, so we can write it 2 upon 1 or 2. So how the table can be made easily, you can see here. Just practice it for 4 to 5 times yourself. You will learn very easily how to make it. Now let us start the exercise 8.2. First question is evaluate. As we know how to make the table used, so by the using the table we know that sine 60 is, what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, and sine 30 is also 1 by 2. By multiplying it will be 3 by 4, and here 1 by 4. Taking the LCM, 3 plus 1 by 4, 4 by 4, cancel out, answer 1. And the second part is 2 tan square 45. We know the value of tan 45 is 1. Because there is a square, we just put a square of the values. Plus cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Because there is square, then again square, minus sine 60, again root 3 by 2 and square of it. That is 2 into 1 means 2 plus root 3 square means 3, 2 square is 4 minus again 3 by 4. This is plus 3 by 4, this is minus 3 by 4. Just cancel out it, we will get 2 is the required answer. Here is the third part. Cos 45. The value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sec 30. Sec 30 is just reciprocal of cos 30. And the cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it will become 2 by root 3. Or you can take the values from the table. Plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sine. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Then cosec 30 will be 2 by 1. Now take the LCM, 1 by root 2 as it is. LCM is root 3. It will become 2 plus 2 root 3. As we know, it will become 1 by root 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Multiply it, I will get root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. In mathematics, we just not take the root value in the denominator. So just rationalize it and we'll get 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. What I get? That will be, जब हम ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that is 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18. In the denominator, it will a plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. Clear? Now, ऊपर से just 2 1 root 6 minus root 18. It will be 8 minus 24. This is 2 root 6. When we make the factor of it, it will become 3 root 2. And that is minus 16. 2 se cancel out. Minus 8. This minus change the sign of above. That will 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8 is the required solution. So So now I'm taking now question fifth part. Fourth part is you can do similarly as third one. Now the fifth part is 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 whole upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Very simple question it is. This is 5 cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 square because there is square plus 4 sec 30. Sec 30 is reciprocal of cos 30 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 yani 2 by root 3 square minus tan 45 yani 1 square. Similarly here sin 30 is 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square. It will be 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1. In the denominator it will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. In the numerator it will become 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. And it will be 4 by 4. It will just cancel out and 1. Because in the denominator I got 1, so the numerator is the main part now. Taking the LCM, it will be 12. It will become 15 plus there is a 464 minus is just 1 upon 1, then it is minus 12. That will be 67 upon 12 is the required answer. Now question number 2, part 1. 2 tan 30, 1 upon 1 plus tan square 30. So 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. In the numerator 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. In the numerator it will become 2 by root 3 and is here 1 upon 1 plus 1 by 3. By taking LCM in the denominator I will get 4 by 3. By just reciprocate we will get 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now I can write this is 3 upon 2 root 3. Just rationalize it by root 3. I will get 3 root 3 upon 2 into 3. 3 se 3 cancel out. Root 3 by 2. In the options I have given 4 options, that is sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. I have these 4 options in the question. In these 4 options root 3 by 2 is the value of sin 60. So the first option is the right answer. Now just evaluate 1 minus tan square 45, 1 plus tan square 45. We know the tan 45 is just nothing, just 1. 1 plus 1 square is 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 upon 2, answer is 0. Simple question. Now third part is if sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a, then it can be true only when a is what the angle of a is related 0. All the teacher says is 0, but how, why, क्यों, कैसे, कहाँ से, so वो देखो कैसे, how it is. Actually in the 11th class you will learn sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a. This is the identity. We will use it here. So I can write 2 sin a cos a is equals to 2 sin of a. As you can see here, by cancel out I can say cos a is equals to 1. This will cancel out, 1 bachi raha idhar. Now in the table, the value of cos is 1 when A is equals to 0 degree. That is why the answer is 0. Again, the fourth part, 2 tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. In the numerator 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. In the numerator it is 2 by root 3. Denominator 1 minus 1 by 3. By taking the LCM it will be 2 by root 3 upon 2 by 3. By just reciprocating and multiply it, we will get 3 upon 2. Cancel out 3 upon root 3. Because there is a root, so we can rationalize it. It will be 3 root 3 upon 3. Cancel out root 3. Now in the options, the only tan 60 degree is the value having root 3. So it will be tan 60 degree is the required solution. The most important question of the exercise, question number 3rd. Given that tan A plus B is equals to root 3, we just know that there is a tan. Now in the table of the tan theta, when the value of tan is root 3, so by the table you can see that value of root 3 is at tan 60 degree. Tan se tan cancel out, it will be A plus B is equals to 60 degree. It is equation number 1. Similarly, again tan A minus B, by the table it will be at 30 degree. Again tan se tan cancel out, A minus B is equals to 30 degree. It is equation number 2. As we have already learned in the chapter number 3, elimination method, just solve these two equations by eliminating them. Add, I will get 2A is equals to 90. It means A is equals to 45. But divided by 2. Put in 1. Then 45 plus B is equals to 60. Then B is equals to 60 minus 45. B is equals to 15 degree. This is the required values of A and B. So guys, in the next lecture we will discuss exercise 8.3. Till then, practice it. Bye.